Alam mo maraming nagsasabi sa akin ngayon na they are where they are because wala silang choice. Ipinanganak silang mahirap, kaya hanggang ngayon mahirap sila. Maliit ang sweldo ng trabahong tinanggap nila. Kaya sabi nila hindi nauunlad buhay nila. They are where they are today because they have no choice. Sabi ng karamihan sa kanila, life is unfair. Kasi meron daw mga ibang tao na mas maraming opportunity na maganda ang dumating sa buhay nila. Sila kakapiranggot that the better opportunities are given to those who are rich, to those who are better off in life. According to them, the reason why yung ibang tao umunlad yung buhay nila, yumaman sila, because God sent them better opportunities. And sa kanilang mga pangit na opportunities. And this is why they made a conclusion, life is unfair. Is life really unfair? Ang Panginoon ba namimili kung sino ang bibigyan niya ng blessings and sino ang babawasan niya ng biyaya? Is life unfair? Alam mo, as more people share this reasoning to me, napaisip ako, is life really unfair? Ang choices ba natin today are limited by the things God gives us? As I ponder in this question, napaisip ako, sabi ko. As I ponder in this question, may na-realize ako importanteng bagay. I realize that the choices we have today is a result or a byproduct of the choices we made in the past. Ulitin ko ha, the choices you have today is a byproduct of the choices you made in the past. The opportunities you attract today is a byproduct of how you responded to opportunities you had yesterday. Let me explain. Nung pumunta ka sa eskwela, nung bata ka, hindi mo nakita yung value of a good education. Sabi mo, pareho lang yan. Ang mataas na grade at saka mababang grade, pareho lang. Tas napabarkada ka, so nagbulakbol ka, hindi ka nag-aral mabuti. So bumagsak ka many times. And then feeling mo pa may mga subjects na hindi makakatulong sa'yo in the future. Ayaw mo ng PE, gusto mo ng recess, ayaw mo ng social studies. So sabi mo, anong silbi nito pag naging trabahador ako, pag naging engineer ako, anong silbi nito? So binagsak mo. So yung 5-year course naging 7 years. Nung nakita nung kumpanyang ina-applyan mo, natakot sila. Natakot sila na baka gawin mo ulit yon na hindi ka pa nagbago. Though pwede kang magbago and you can be a better person today. The choices you have today is a byproduct of the choices you made in the past. The opportunities that will open up today is a byproduct of how you responded to the opportunities you had yesterday. Friends, life is not unfair. It is always fair. Baguhin natin ang sitwasyon. Nung nag-eskwela ka, you decided to study very hard, maski mahirap kayo. Minsan pumapasok ka pa sa eskwela ng gutom kasi hindi kumita yung tatay mo. Pero sige lang, maski mas mahina ka umintindi, pinilit mong pumasa. And you decided na wag magsayang ng maski anong perang pinaghirapan ng tatay mo. So maski pa siyang awa ginawa mo. Kasi alam mo, pag bumagsak ka, mapapagastos pamilya mo. So inayos mo, nagsipag ka, naawa sa'yo yung mga teachers mo, rinikomenda ka sa isang scholarship. Nung nag-college ka, kulang pa rin. Pero nagsipag ka pa rin, inayos mo. Though people may not see you as the brightest, but they see you as a person who works hard and very diligent. So nung nag-apply ka, nakita nung employer, though mahirap kayo, ang sipag mo. So sabi nila, sigurado ko pag pumasok to, magsisipag din ito and hindi niya sasayangin yung pera ng kumpanya. So more opportunities came to you because of how you responded to the opportunities you were given in the past. Friends, life is always fair. It is never unfair. The choices you have today is a byproduct of the choices you made in the past. Pero andyan ka na eh. 'Di ba? Nagsayang na tayo ng oras nung bata tayo, hindi tayo nag-aral mabuti. Our choices today are limited. Hanggang diyan ka na lang ba? Hindi. Because if you want to have more choices today, pwede ka mag-aral ulit. Pag ayaw mo nang bumalik sa college because it is difficult for you, then attend technical courses to grow your value. Magsipag ka. Galingan mo. Let people know that you're a person of good character. Because when you do, more opportunities will come to you. Life is always fair. In fact, Bible talks about this. In Romans 14:12, Bible says that God will make us accountable for all our actions. To His children who are obedient and hardworking, He will bless them. Parang dun sa parable of the talent, tatlong slave. Binigyan ng pera and possession. Yung dalawa nagsipag, yung isa nagtamad. Yung dalawa, dinagdagan niya yung blessing. Because they were faithful with what they were given, God gave them more. But the third slave, who was negligent and who was wicked, tinanggal pa kung ano ang maliit. He had very limited choices. God will bless those who will obey. God, I don't think will curse those who are disobedient. He will just let them live out the consequences of their choices. Friends, be wise, choose well. Use the choices you have today to build a better future, to build a life that will invite more opportunities. Huwag mong sayangin ang choices mo today. Kung sinayang mo na siya in the past, huwag mong sayangin today so that you will have more choices in the future. Take control of your life because God gave you free will for that reason so that you can decide to have a fruitful life. Sana natulungan kita through this video. Kung natulungan kita, I always want people to share my video to people who need to hear this lesson also. And ang request ko, sana tulungan mo ako, tulungan ng ibang tao. I wish more people can be invited to this channel. And mangyayari lang yan if you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and YouTube will share this to other people. Ang gusto ko, tulungan lahat ng Pilipino. Salamat for watching this video and may God continue to bless you.